Good evening. I got my latest package from PSA. All right, so I got some goodies in here. Let's see what we got. So I wanted to send in I had no idea how this would grade because it's a printing plate. So it's a 1 of 1 black plate Jordan Howard. I had no idea who Jordan Howard was. I was just like, oh, cool, 1 of 1. I want to send that in to get graded. And it is authentic. So I don't know if they actually give printing plates grades or not. So that's what I got for that. Um, okay. I had this laying around, so I was like, okay, cool. Let's send in a patch. Damian Pierce. He had a really good rookie year. We got a 9 on that, Damian Pierce. Okay. This card I got for free. And it said game used Ryu Hyun Jin, and I was like, oh, awesome. Let's send that in. Got a 9. I like these thick slabs. I think they're really nice. This one I knew was going to get a low grade. All right, let's keep these organized. So those are all 9s. This one I was expecting a low grade on. I just thought it was really cool. Match attack. Park Ji Sung, PSA 7. I just thought it was a really cool card. I wanted to get that slabbed up. Next, we have a Dak Prescott rookie graded card. Purple 9. Another rated rookie Dak Prescott. This one is a PSA 10. It's a nice looking card. But Dak Prescott stuff, not very popular. Now this one I was very excited about. Matthew Stafford out of 25. Navy Camo 10. That is awesome. And another Matthew Stafford. This one, a jersey number match. I was really excited about that. It's a 10. The Forest Camo. Jersey number match. That is awesome. I kind of have a small collection of jersey match Staffords going. That's my second one. And then we got Canvas Tua. It's a 9. David Montgomery. Population only 2. People do not send this card to get graded. Blue 9. And then I sent in a few Hendon Hookers. Got a 9. I'm getting a lot of 9s. Oof, gross. Another Hendon Hooker. This one is a 9. Then we got a Stafford. I believe it is a red ice. Is a 10. And another Hendon Hooker. This one's an orange laser. It's a 10. So not the best order, but I'm just really glad those 2 Staffords came out to 10s. I did the math. I knew this one was going to get a low grade, so I was not counting that one. That's a gem rate of about 40%. Kind of disappointing, but whatever. Happy gaming.